Oh my god, guys, look how fast she goes. Oh, she solves it. Wait.
Comment below in the description.
That's how you record.
Just I know how to record.
There you go. You're recording like this.
Oh, you know that.
Alright, that's
Guys, just look how fast she goes.
what?
God, she goes so freaking fast. And she's actually getting them right. Y'all can see. AJ, do it one more time and then pause it. Like when you get all correct. Okay, AJ, do it one more time and then pause it like when you get all them correct. Because I want to show everybody how, like, look, she actually has all of them right.
What's getting it?
So she knows how to solve a Rubik's Cube.
It's a simple righty out and a simple
Kaden.
lefty out.
What's getting?
This is my friend Kaden, and here's my friend Jay.
But simple righty out,
Was radio.
what I'm doing right now, and a simple lefty out.
Well, it looks like she almost broke it. Simone! Oh, dang. Okay, guys, I'm going to end it here. But yeah, she knows how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Everybody, y'all better vote in my comments below or else I'll kill y'all all. Ah, I'm just kidding. She will kill you. Bye! Doodles.